we know that in 1898 SDWP party was formed by the socialists who followed the ideology of Karl Marx. Okay, after that, when this party was formed, this party became a threat to the throne of Tsar Nicholas II. So what he did, he applied a trick and he declared all such parties who were working against him, he declared them illegal. Okay, so all parties illegal in Russia, those parties who are working against the royal family and Tsar Nicholas II, he declared them illegal. Now, how this party worked then after being declared as an illegal party? So, as an illegal party, it set up newspapers, mobilized workers, and organized strikes, and also struggled for peasants' rights. So, these many things they did, but in a hidden way. They didn't come in front of the society, but they all did all these things in a hidden way. So what they did, they set up newspapers. So they published newspapers against all the injustice done to the workers and peasants in the newspapers, and they distributed in the society. So society became aware of that. They mobilized workers. The mobilized workers means farm workers, peasants, and proletariats, or the industrial workers. They brought them together and they made them realize that they should raise their voice against the injustice done to them. And they also organized strikes. Okay, also they struggled for the peasants' right. So peasants, they were suffering because they didn't have their own lands. So they wanted that the landlords should give them, or peasants should get the right to seize the land from the landlords. So they were struggling for all these things. But in 1903, this party got split into two groups. The party was formed in 1898. It got split into two groups in 1903. Okay, so these two groups were named as Bolsheviks and Mensheviks. So who were these Bolsheviks? So these Bolsheviks were like the liberals and the radicals. Okay, they followed these two ideologies. They believed in quick changes. So this group was led by Vladimir Lenin. So this party believed in dictatorship of the proletariats. Dictatorship. They wanted total control of proletariats in the Russian Empire, where they didn't get earlier. Okay. Now let us move towards another group. It was Mensheviks group. So Mensheviks group had the people who believed in the conservative ideas. Okay, and this party was led by Alexander Kerensky. Under his leadership, these people worked. So this party believed that everyone should come, and this party is open to all. So these were the two groups formed after the SDWP party got split in 1903. Thank you.